Okay, picking up where we left off. So this is the start of the food storage. And then we have her everyday wear in here. And we have the glass storage and ceramic storage containers up here. Her little, that's a speaker. And then the TV, and you'll see the glass globes are down. They belong up there over the window. But we've been having trouble getting back up, so we're gonna call in reinforcements to get those put back up safely. And then down under the glass storage, we have the plastic storage containers. With their corresponding lids, of course. And then these are like her seasonal special dish towels and stuff. We have her extra big pots that she doesn't use very often, and pitchers. And then we're coming around to the sink. And in the top drawer we have, this is her sister's tray that she eats on. And then we have her various and sundry kitchen tools, kitchen cloths, and last but not least, strainers. And then, of course, her beautiful window. And then under her sink, we have all nice and neat and organized, and a place for the plastic bags. And over here, I'm going to have to order some hooks because the one I brought weren't big enough. But we're going to hang these and hang some of her brushes so they're easy to access. We have an empty drawer. This is how big this kitchen is. And a whole nother empty storage space. And this is very cool too, because this comes out and this comes out. So there was no wasted storage in this kitchen. And then this is like the special silverware. And this is another technically empty, because what's in there right now is just things I'm using for different storage projects. And this is the same kind of thing. Stuff being used for storage projects. This kitchen is so big. And then we have our glass baking dishes. I wanted to put them in the corner in the baking section, but there was not enough room. So we have her coffee clutch, which is really cool. It's got the fold-away drawers. Let me see if I can get the lights on. We have a nice little, and then down here we have the teas. This is the junk drawer that everybody has in their kitchen. And then down here, we have the extra coffee supplies for various and sundry events. And then I don't know if you can see over there in the corner, she has one cabinet that has textured glass, so you can kind of see what's in there, but not really. And this is for all the special, you're having guests over. And I love this, her kitchen prayer. This was her mother's. And I didn't want to do away with all of her mother's stuff. So even if she's not using her mother's things, we've incorporated them in the decorations. So we have that stuff down here. And then we have a whole display over here. Let me turn the light on. We have a whole display over here of her mother's and her grandmother's antique kitchen utensils. Okay, and then we have the island. I love this island so much. It's useful. It's got lots of storage. And over here, we have the knives. And then different, like, specialty cutting tools. And then down under here are cutting boards. I don't know if you can see that. Cutting boards. And then this is various different cutting tools. Time saver tools. And then this is really cool too. So to orient you, there's the stove. Here's the knives. And then we have this. But the fun part is this pulls out, and the cabinet maker actually has the cutting board that belongs here because he's putting a groove or a ditch all the way around it so that the juices don't spill over the side into the cabinet. But he hasn't gotten it back to us yet. So the idea is the cutting board also has a hole in it. So you do your chopping and just shove the stuff you don't want under there. And then we have the microwave. So there's the stove and there's the microwave. And this is one of the drawer types. And since we have the microwave there, we have the microwave stuff down here, including these. She uses these for her sister. Her bowls go in here so we don't risk burning her. And I think that's it. It turned out better than I ever could have hoped.